Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Anurag. Today we will be continuing with our Python series. So for today's topic, it is conditional statements. So you will be wondering what are conditional statements? Conditional statement basically gives us a true or false value, which means that we do not want to execute the whole line of code. We will only execute certain set of code which is according to the condition which is provided. So there are three main type of conditional statements in Python. First is if, second is elif, third is else. So let us check the whiteboard to get a more clear understanding how it works and its syntax. Okay, so we first write the if keyword, and then we will write a condition, and then we use semicolon, and then we write the condition which we want to execute. If the if condition is true, then we can add elif also for multiple if conditions, so that if our first condition is false, then the second condition will be executed, and finally we add else condition. So you will be wondering, why should we use else? We can also use an elif also, no? So the reason why else is used is such that for else we do not need to have a condition. It is like an exception handling, such that, for example, if we are checking if a number is even or odd. Okay, so in the first if condition we will be checking whether the number divisible by 2 is equal to 0, and in the second condition we can check whether the number is divisible by 2 is 1, so it will be odd number. So for example, if the user doesn't give a number at all, he gives something else as an input. So where will the function go? It will give an error, no? So at that time we can use else condition to print if the value is something other than we expected. So it will give the inputted value is not a number. I guess this much information is much more. Let us dive to the coding part. Okay. So I will just open ideally. Okay, it's open. And then I will use Control plus N to create a new folder. Now I will add our topic's name, conditional statement. So first code which I want to do is such that, let us check if a coin is head or tail, because we know, no, that if you flip a coin it will give either head or tail. So if we get other than anyone else, then we can use the else condition. Okay, so let's just try that. So first I will declare a variable named coin, and I'm giving the initial value as head for the time being. Okay, then we will check the first condition, if coin equal to head. So when we are using double equal to, it is like an logical operator to check whether the value is similar or not. So I will be covering logical operators in the coming videos. Okay, so we will just say print head, and I am writing an elif coin equal to tail, and then I am writing the print statement tail. And I am also writing a else condition where I will mention, as you can see I have not written any condition for else. I have written just else keyword and then semicolon and direct the code which will be executed if the code goes to the else condition. Okay, so print invalid coin. Okay, okay, so just let's just run the code. I will give conditional state, run module. So we have been able to see the value head because I have declared the coin value equal to head. No, so I will just change now it to tail. Okay, so now when the coin is flipped, I am uh, given the value as tail. So if the value of coin equal to tail, which condition should be executed? So first we will check in the order. Okay, so first we will check if coin equal to head. So the code will check whether the coin value is head or not. So currently it is tail, so it will not print head. It will go to the next condition, which is the elif condition, where it will check the coin value equal to tail. So it matches with the coin value, so then it will print tail. So ideally our next output should be tail. Okay, so let's just run that module, and as you can see tail is given. Okay, now let us do something else. Okay, now I am giving that the coin value is neither head nor tail. Okay, it's something like ball. Okay, any random value. Okay, so first our code will check like that. Let's do the dry run only once more time. So first it will check if coin value equal to head. So it will check whether now the coin value is ball. Okay, so it will not print head, it will go to the next condition. In the elif condition of coin equal to tail, it's check what is the value of coin. So it will check the value of the coin is ball. Okay, so then it will go to the third condition, which is the else condition, and it will print invalid coin. So in this scenario our answer should be invalid coin. Okay, let's see. As you can see, invalid coin is printed. So this was a basic introduction to condition statements. I am planning to give as a homework such that try to code even number and odd number. Okay, and if you have any difficulty while coding that question, please comment down below the video, and thank you for watching.